Hello everybody and welcome to episode number 2 of About Your House. The video series is designed to hopefully make the buying and selling process easier and more profitable for you. So episode number 2, we're talking to Brett Kretschmer from BMK Wealth Management. He's here to basically explain to you how you can get that deposit saved up and how to move forward with your financial needs. So welcome, Brett.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks for having me this morning.
Glad you could be here.
Great.
All right, mate. So I guess the first point is, why would someone want to use, or what is the benefit of having a financial planner?
Yeah, look, it's a good question. Financial planners provide a lot of different benefits to clients, some financial benefits, but I feel the number one benefit I find with my clients, both brand new clients and existing clients, is a direction, a plan.
Yep.
And I know that sounds simple, but a lot of clients don't have that. So
Well, it's easy to kind of to have a goal in mind, isn't it, and then get distracted by life.
That's right, exactly. We're all busy. My client base are like me, mortgage, kids, expenses, running around, and the last thing you want to do is sit down and actually do a budget, monitor it, and it's good to have someone on board to help you with that.
Yep.
Also I like identifying the actual dream goals of clients.
Yeah.
What do you want to achieve? If everything's equal, what is your dream? And trying to achieve that is what I enjoy doing, planning, providing a direction, and I really feel, and the direction I see for my clients when they sit down and they can see it in paper, look, we can go on that trip in a couple of years' time, or we can retire in 5 years' time if we really would like to, or we can buy that home in a couple of years, where before they might not have had that clarity. So the relief and the enjoyment I see from my clients with that is great, and I find that's the number one benefit of a financial planner.
All right, but I mean, surely you need to be rich, don't you, and have lots of excess money to have a financial planner. Can everyday mum and dads benefit from having a financial planner?
100%. So, yeah, that's a very common perception of what we do is you have to have money, or you have to have a large amount sitting in your bank account to sit in front of a financial planner, and I think that's been brought up by us as planners in the past. Is there was a lot of focus in the past around investments, how to shares, how to invest your money in a right way. But no, that's not the case. And my client base are everyday mums and dads.
Okay.
Out there working, single incomes, dual incomes, kids, mortgages, cash flow issues. They're my client. That's my client base. Obviously, yes, if someone does have a lot of funds available as well, that's great, but no, so you don't have to be rich, or don't have to be living on a waterfront property or anything like that. It's really important, any stage of your life, you sit in front of a financial planner, because there's always things we can help you with.
And I guess that's the next point then, I guess, is what can you help everyone with? I mean, is it... Well, no, I'll let you take it. Yeah, what can you help a financial planner with? Sorry, what can you help your clients with?
Yeah, no worries. So look, I like to do it in 3 phases with clients. So you sit down and you have a look at your foundation. So that's reviewing things like your personal protection. Is that in place properly? So your insurances, your income protection, that side of things, making sure that if you're the main income earner, you can't work for whatever reason, that's all looked after. Then we look at your estate planning, which is really important. Before mentioned around second marriages and step kids and all that sort of scenarios. Is that in place? Is that in place properly? Cash flow analysis, making sure you're utilising your savings the right way, and knowing where your money's going. So if we get that in place, I find then we can look at the next step and part of the discussion, and that's your strategic direction. So what do you want to achieve? Do you want to pay off your mortgage by a certain stage? Are you trying to save up for a home but you're just not sure how to get there? What are you doing with your excess savings? When do you want to retire? Do you want to grow your family? So I help clients with providing direction and how to achieve those goals as well. And then obviously when I say the basic, reviewing your super, is it invested the right way? Are you utilising strategies to reduce tax the right way in that facility?
We all like to pay less tax.
That's right. So really what I do for clients is make sure their foundations are in order. So if anything happens, that they're protected and that they can continue to reach those goals, and then really identify what's unique to you as a person. Everyone's different. Everyone has different goals. Everyone has different income needs, and then work together on how to achieve that. And then ongoing service, ongoing relationships is really important. So it's not a set and forget. It's not, let's do this today and catch up in 2 or 3 years' time. It's reviewing that regularly, making sure any government changes aren't impacting you every year. In the budget, there's some sort of change to superannuation.
Yeah.
If there's a life change to your own position, additional family members, or paying off debt or more debt, or whatever the case is. So always reviewing that and making sure things are in order.
Okay. Fantastic. All right, Brett, well, I think we'll probably wrap it up there today. Thank you very, very much for your time.
No, thank you.
Now, everybody, if you'd like to get in touch with Brett, again, you can either contact me directly here at Wisebury and I can get you in touch with Brett, or stay tuned to the end of the video where we'll have Brett's details so you can contact him directly. Thanks very much for joining us here today at About Your House. See you again at the next open home.
Thank you.